Hello, hi everyone, welcome. So today a pair of leggings is what we are making, and it has no seam on the outer corner as you can see from the photo. So I'm starting with using an old leggings I have in my closet to trace out to make the new one. So first I'm flipping it inside out and then making sure that the fabric I'm using is double waist stretch. So even if it's a one-way stretch fabric, I have to make sure that the stretchy part is the part that I'm going to wear after I sew. So first things first, I folded in half, and then afterwards I traced out the old leggings. So by placing it directly on the part that I already turned. So first I'm starting with cutting out the back side of my leggings. So as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that the lines are straight because there will be no seam on the outer area, so it has to be as straight as possible. And then after I like how it looks, I'm cutting it out now, starting from the waist area all the way to the crotch area and then all the way down. So if you want your leggings to be longer than it is or longer than the fabric you're tracing it out from, you can always elongate your cut to your desired length or however you want it to be. So now I'm done cutting out the back side of my leggings. So now I'm going to do the same again to cut out the front part of the leggings. So repeating the same step, folded the fabric in half again. I placed it. This time, instead of using the fabric I traced out earlier, it's easier to use the one that I already cut out to ensure that they're going to be exactly the same size and the same length and the same everything. So now going in again, cutting out the waist area out, then the crotch area, as well as the length. So this is it, guys. It's really easy. I mean, you have to just try as much as possible to keep your hand straight, because any mistake you make now, you end up losing not just the fabric but ruining the whole cut. So I'm done cutting the front, I'm done cutting the back. So now I have to clear the table and lay them side by side to have an idea of the look I'm going for. So the first thing that I did was, or the first thing you have to do is either you sew up the crotch area first or you sew the leg part first. It depends on whichever way you want to go first, but however way you choose is still going to arrive at the same result. There are no rules. So I already did that. As you can see now, I'm flipping the left part of the leggings inside out to have a clear picture of how it's going to look. So now you can see we are getting somewhere. So we are going to stitch the crotch area now together. So we have to do that as smoothly as we can. You can use the bobby pins if you want to ensure that no fabric is moved or the length doesn't look weird. So I'm doing that, and now you can see I'm done. Sorry guys, I don't want to show you the part where I'm stitching because it's a whole lot of process to keep moving my phone that I'm recording with, but you'll see in the next videos just the part that I showed how I was sewing. But it's basically just a straight stitch, there is nothing special. And then the final part is adding the waistband. So it should be the total length of your waist measurement divided by 2, and then from the total, after you divide it, you minus another 2 inches. So it will be exactly your size because it's a stretch fabric. So we want to make sure that it fits So mine is 28 inches divided by 2, it gave me 14, and 14 minus 2 is 12 inches. So the total length of my waistband is 12 inches. So I first stitched it together to form a circle, as you can see, and then afterwards I placed it into the leggings and tried to flip a little bit of fabric to cover the waistband itself, and securing that with some bobby pins so they don't have to move when I'm sewing them together. So another way to attach waistband is by adding extra fabric to your leggings itself. I showed that in my next video, so you can watch that as well, and you can sew whichever way that is easier for you from the 2 videos that I have. So this is one way, attaching this directly to the leggings. Then another way is, you can see when you watch the next video. So this is basically it, guys. I am done, and now I'm trying to see if my new leggings is matching with the old one that I traced with. So as you can see, they are matching, so it means I did a pretty good job. So that's it, guys. It's easy. I mean, you can do with needle and thread by hand stitching. You just have to make sure your stitches are small and almost invisible. I know it takes longer time, but at least it's a way of practicing. And once you get used to it, or once you learn how to use the machine, you will make them to look even more perfect. So this is it, and see me wearing it in a few seconds. So that's it, guys. Yeah, that's me. It feels so nice to make your own stuffs. So I hope to see you guys try it out and tag me or share with me to see what you learned and what you did to make me happy. Thank you.